Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, The Oily Housewife. As you can see, I have this look I'm going to show you, but it's also a first impressions on the Golden Hour Eyeshadow Palette that Young Living came out with. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys because these colors are gorgeous. Hold on. There you go. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what I think. I will have a swatch for you guys, and I'm actually going to show you this look and what I really truly think about it. So here it is. I know I look a little bit weird. I only have my foundation, my concealer, some blush, and I think and my eyebrows. That's all that's done. So I'm making this video because I want to do a first impression on Golden Hour. This is their newest eyeshadow palette, and the colors. All right, let me see if I can I do it like from here? Will it show a little better? I'm trying to like look, because honestly the colors are not picking up on the camera. So you know what, I'm just gonna go straight into the swatch. I'm gonna pick up Horizon. Yeah, Horizon. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, how am I, yeah, let's do it this way. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do it here. Okay, this is so pretty. Like, you saw how much I picked up. Like, this is really very pigmented. Okay, let's go with, I'm gonna go pick up Dawn. That's this color right here. I feel like this one is like a gold with peach. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to find, looking in my viewfinder. Ooh. Okay, so this one is not that intense, but I think this would actually be a very cute color like for the base. So these are both mattes. Let me wipe my fingers here. Oh my gosh, the shimmers. I'm so excited about the shimmers. So I'm gonna go in with Dusk. This one, oh my gosh. This one is like a coppery, bronzy, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm right here. Let's do this right. Oh my gosh. That's insane. That is so pigmented. Can you see like the shimmer? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try the other one. So the other one is Glow. These colors are crazy. Okay, this one definitely has gold in it, but it's like a peachy undertone. Okay, hold on, let me find you my viewfinder. There we go. Okay, so this one, it has like a, so on the camera, yeah, actually it does have like an orangey, kind of like a gold and peach undertone. I feel like this one is more like a burnt. Well, this one is copper. These colors are insane. Insane. The pigments though, I mean, come on. I feel like I smudged right here. All right, there you go, the 4 colors. Okay, time to do my makeup because I'm so excited. I will be going in with Dawn. I'm gonna pick up a little bit, and I'm gonna use this as my base. I'm gonna use my mirror here. All right, I'm gonna actually bring you guys a little bit closer. Can you see my eyeball? All right, anyway, I'm going to pat this on really quick, and I'm gonna go back and forth windshield wiper motion. Nothing too special or crazy about this. That's a nice color. It's very subtle, but I like it because you can use it as a base. I feel like my concealer got into my tear ducts. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye really quick. Okay, and I don't like to go all the way up, but I do try to go a little bit higher than my actual crease with the actual color, with this color. And that was Dawn. I'm going to go, let's go with Horizon. Let's see if, I'm gonna put this outer corner of the crease and just kind of like bring it back and forth, but just in the outside crease. I'm putting a little bit of pressure and I'm just kind of like wiggling it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. This is so pigmented. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little bit more pressure and just kind of like bring it back and forth, back and forth. Here we go. That is very, very pigmented. I feel like I went a little bit too crazy. But that's why you can always have your sponge and just kind of clean up a little bit. There you go. I like that a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye really quick and then I'll get to the shimmers. Okay, so I have the Horizon. So I have Dawn, sorry. So I have Dawn as the base and then I put Horizon in the crease. I really, really want to go with the Dusk because I want to see how pigmented it is. So I'm going to pick up my little eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pat it on because I want to see how it actually picks up. Okay, not that bad. Hold on. So it's not that bad. I'm actually going to continue with the outer because that's where I want the shimmer. Let's see. And I'm only going to do the lower side of the lid. I'm not going to go above the crease. Oh my gosh. I really hope you guys can see that shimmer. I'm going to pick up a little bit more because I want to intensify a little bit. That's like, I hope you guys can see that little shimmer. Let me do the other eye really quick. Here are both eyes. So far I'm loving the pigments on this and I'm not having as much fallout as I thought I would have, if any. No, I don't see like any fallout and that's kind of like really amazing. And again, if you guys do, you can always come back with your sponge or take a fluffy brush, like a big fluffy brush, and just kind of like dust it off. Now I'm going to wipe off some of this because it is the darker shimmer. And I'm going to pick up Glow, same brush, and ooh, this one's like really pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna come in the inner corner and kind of do the same thing, only at the lower side of the lid. And I want to see, oh, this is really pretty. This is more gold for sure. And I'm gonna bring this like in the middle, kind of like attach these two together. Hope you guys can see this. Okay, that is like super pretty. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back with my little fluffy brush, kind of take off whatever, and just very lightly come back and forth on the crease area because I don't want too much shimmer on the crease. And I'm kind of bringing Horizon, kind of like blending it like back and forth because I just want a little bit. I want it to look blended, not choppy. Okay, I like it. This is the finished look. I'm gonna take one more quick little glance, see if there's anything I wanna change. And you guys come in, you can always adjust. What I like is it's buildable. Horizon, I noticed that it's not so spreadable. For me, I like that because you can really concentrate in an area. So the more that you blend, I mean, it is blendable. It's just not like, what is this one? Dawn. Dawn is very easy, very blendable. Horizon, it's like where you put it, it sticks. And that's why I'm surprised that I don't have fallout. I like, seriously, the formula, whatever, however they made this, it's amazing. And especially because I have like dark eyes, I think this really kind of like brightens up my eyes. I mean, this one, Glow, I do have, see, it's like more pigmented. There is a lot more fallout, which you have like right here. For me, my opinion though, I think having a little bit at the tear duct is really pretty. You can go even lighter. We do have, ooh, what is that called? Residual. Now that is the original like powder eyeshadow, but it's so pretty for like a highlight. So I don't have highlight with me. I'm actually just gonna put some mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I have my lengthening and volumizing mascara. So I will show you guys the finished look after I finish my eyes. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here is the finished look. I have my eyelashes done. I have my gorgeous palette on me. This is, again, Golden Hour. This is their new eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, these colors are gorgeous. I feel like this is an everyday kind of palette. Now again, everyday I mean like you can do very simple, just these, or if you really want to glam it up, you can kind of use all of it, like just how I did. It's, I don't know, it's like so pretty. It's like so pretty. I love the colors. Oh, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment down below. Love hearing from you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.